Welcome to this tutorial on how to customize who can see your friends list on Facebook using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure your friends list is visible only to those you choose. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, click on the More option below your profile picture. This will expand a drop-down menu where you can select various sections of your profile. Choose the Friends section from this menu. Once you're in the Friends section, you'll see a list of all your friends. Look for the three dots at the top right corner of this section and click on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Privacy. This option allows you to control who can see your friends list. In the privacy settings for your friends list, you'll have several options to choose from. To customize who can see your list, select Friends Accept. This option lets you choose specific friends who won't be able to see your friends list. Now, you'll need to select the friends you want to share your list with and those you don't. Under Share With, you can choose which friends you want to include. Conversely, under Don't Share With, select the friends you want to exclude from viewing your list. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply these changes. This ensures that only the friends you've chosen can see your friends list, while others are excluded. By following these steps, you can easily customize who can see your friends list on Facebook, giving you more control over your privacy settings. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep certain friendships private, or if you prefer to limit who can see your social connections. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Facebook privacy settings.